Backs, it's me, Jeffy. Today we're doing the spicy ramen, takis, fire and ice mukbang. And I've been looking forward to this one for a while. And I haven't eaten in 20 minutes, so I am starving. I can't wait to dig into this. Leave a like on the video and comment down below which takis is your favorite. Me, I'm going to start with the ice. Oh, looks so good. Oh. I wish you guys could taste how good it is. Let me get some tacos. Oh, so good! All right, let's move on to the fire. That ice was really good. Oh, so good. Oh, that is amazing. Let's get some takis. Crunch them up. Alright, now I'm going to combine the fire and the ice. They're even better when you combine them. The fire and the ice, guys. I would recommend doing this recipe at home. Maybe the ice is my favorite. So good. Oh, Junior, get in here. You want to try some?